Hi, my esteemed business English professional. It's a good day. It's nice to see you. Or is it night for you? Whichever it is, join me on this odyssey as we explore the fundamentals of business English communication. Today, we embark on this journey to uncover the pillars of effective communication, a voyage essential for anyone navigating the corporate landscape. So, what do we have in our basket or in our briefcase? We have effective communication, we need the definition and importance of communication. That's number one. Definition and importance of communication. Number two, the communication process. Number three, barriers of effective communication. Number four, verbal versus non-verbal communication. So, let's begin with the bedrock, the very definition and importance of communication. At its core, it is the exchange of thoughts, information, and emotions. Like, if you get information wrong, maybe you did as a result of the emotion that was misread. In business, it's this heartbeat of your organization. Effective communication is not merely a skill, it is the lifeline of that organization in which you are the boss or you are the employee. It connects every facet of your professional journey. Now, let's dive deeper into the communication process itself. Achieving effective communication for clear communication requires active listening, cultural sensitivity, and adaptability. These three will equip you for the best communication that you have ever wished for. It necessitates clear goals, audience understanding, suitable channels, and ongoing improvement for successful interactions. So make sure you have spruced up the three: sensitivity, adaptability, and cultural excellence. On our voyage, we must also navigate the hidden reefs, the barriers to effective communication. These barriers shadow and obscure your message, making it not easy to tell what you are saying. Be it the noise of distractions, the fog of language differences, or the turbulence of heightened emotions, you can misread or you can be misread. But fret not, with clarity, empathy, and adaptability, again, that's the second time we are mentioning adaptability. With clarity, empathy, and adaptability, you can sail through these challenges and keep your message crystal clear. Lastly, let's unravel the intriguing interplay of verbal and nonverbal communication. While words convey facts, it's the tone, gestures, and expressions that add depth and nuance to your message. Did you know that? Yes, you did, but it's a repetition, and most times we require repetitions. The way you say something is more important than the message itself. They are the instruments in your symphony, and mastering both verbal and nonverbal communication ensures your message hits the right chords with the right audience. So, my dear business English enthusiasts, remember these fundamentals. There were three. Communication is the passport to success. Embrace it then, refine it, and make your impact be felt on the ground where you want to run. All right. Thank you.